Welcome to How to Mount Your Foam Letter with me, Molly from Craft Cuts. You will need your mounting template, if you ordered one with your letter, a level, a pencil, some tape, your foam letter, silicone adhesive, a paper towel, and a rag. Clean the area where you would like your letter to go with the rag. Place your mounting template where you would like to mount your letter using the tape on the corners. Place the level on the level line to ensure proper placement. Mark the removed corners of the template with the pencil. Remove your template. Dab the corners of the back of the letter with your silicone adhesive. Place the letter in the desired spot and hold for at least 1 minute. The adhesive will be fully dry in 24 hours and the full strength bond will be achieved in 7 days. You can remove any excess adhesive with a paper towel. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.